Starting today, we'll be keeping a class pet, the Chicken Devil. Go on, introduce yourself.
My name's Bucky. I'm excited to befriend you all.
3 months from now, you kids are going to kill and eat Bucky. You see, I want you to understand how precious life is.
What the cluck?
Is it really safe to touch a devil?
Nobody's afraid of chickens. It must be a weak one.
But I don't want to get eaten. If you eat me, I'll die.
Aw, it's so pitiful, it's cute.
It's sitting on my desk. Die!
Yikes, was she glaring at us?
I mean, if I remember right, her parents got eaten by a devil.
Don't walk side by side. People can't get past you. Quit hanging out in the bathroom. You're in the way. Drop dead.
You won't make any friends eating alone.
Last prez. I don't need friends. They're pointless.
Wow, so cool. I think I'll eat here too.
Ah, Chainsaw Man bun.
I'm collecting the stickers. If you have any, gimme.
This city's corrupt. Most of the buildings are illegally constructed. We have a mayor with a DUI. A devil called Chainsaw Man playing Devil Hunter. And now we're keeping that chicken devil as a pet in our own classroom.
As far as Bucky, just hold it in. It'll be dead in 100 days anyway.
I wish Chainsaw Man and Bucky would both hurry up and die.
Raise your hand if you can solve this problem.
I don't know. It's not clucking with me.
Then don't raise your wing. Sheesh.
Want some fried chicken, Bucky?
Bucky? Cannibalism is foul.
Well, you're a devil.
Bucky, why don't you just run away?
I'm so weak. A stray cat could execute me.
Okay then, I'll bring my cat to class next time.
Today marks 3 months of having Bucky with us at school. I will now ask a student with Devil Hunter aspirations to kill Bucky. Alright?
Finally.
Sir, the whole class talked it out and we've decided. We won't eat Bucky.
What?
We eat living things, we can't deny that. But Bucky isn't a chicken or a devil to us anymore. Bucky is our friend.
That's just what I wanted to hear.
Excuse me?
Okay, Bucky is hereby pardoned, and will continue to live as a member of the class. As your teacher, I didn't want you to take life lightly, not even a devil's. I'm so proud of you kids for learning this lesson. Forget math class for today. Let's all go outside and play some soccer. Aren't you going to join in?
No.
High school's more fun with friends, you know?
I'm here to study, not to make friends.
Hey! Come play soccer with us.
No,
Oscar Mikata! Come out of your shell and play soccer with me!
My name. But only the class president and the teacher ever remember my name. Oh, I see. I was jealous of them. Hypothetically, if one person in class had to jump off a roof, and that person was to be chosen in a vote, I think they'd all vote for me. I'd vote for me too. I want to die.
It was the class president's idea to visit Bucky's grave.
I'm sure Bucky will forgive us up in heaven if the three of us apologize together.
Mitaka? What's wrong?
Huh? It's just the crossing signal's red.
It's night. There aren't any cars and no one's around. It's no big deal.
But, you're right. Sorry about that. Safety first. We should always obey traffic laws.
You always do this.
Huh?
You're always such a goody two-shoes.
Prez?
Mitaka, did you know that Mr. Tanaka apologized for Bucky's death to the whole class on your behalf? Did you know that Mr. Tanaka was the one who told me to befriend you?
Huh?
Did you know that Mr. Tanaka likes you even though he's having sex with me?
Prez, you...
I made a contract with the Justice Devil to find out how to reach my happy ending with Mr. Tanaka. I just need you to die. Ah! I held it in, but I can't take it anymore. Nothing I try works because you're alive.
Prez!
You know what the Justice Devil said to me? Trip her, she'll fall, and crush Bucky. I laughed my head off. You and Bucky taught me how precious life is. Thanks.
.1 seconds before my impending death, I felt oddly relieved. Oh, I wasn't responsible for Bucky's death after all. Oh, class president was jealous of me too. Oh, it must be like that for everyone. Everyone's jealous of somebody. If I'd known, I could have had a better life. Maybe I could have had friends or even a boyfriend. I wish I tried living life just a little more selfishly.
If you want to live, your body will be mine.
Who?
Huh?
Mitaka!
Didn't I just kill you?
Mitaka?
Tanaka's spinal cord sword!
Gah!
What the hell are you?
What the hell am I? My name is War Devil. Die for my warm-up kill.
No, you die.
A fine hand. I'll take that. Hand grenade.
My arm! Give it back! Mr. Tanaka!
There. A happy ending. Just you wait, Chainsaw Man. I'll make you vomit nuclear weapons back up.